Thermwood is a machinery builder that has been building 3 and 5 axis CNC routers for over 50 years. And as of lately, about the last 7 or 8 years, we've been building large-scale additive manufacturing systems called LSAMs. We're here demonstrating that we can successfully create first-time right printed high-temperature tooling suitable for autoclave applications, where we can compensate for anisotropic CTE and other shape changes that happen in the autoclave process. This particular study is going to be continued. We're going to be doing more studies on the tooling that we're demonstrating here. It'll go back and we'll pull more parts from the tool to see the longevity from it. We feel that it's been definitely beneficial to come here. We're getting a lot of exposure, a lot of people coming and visiting, and a lot of interest. Explaining the machine is one thing. When people see the machine live in action, they can really get a grip on what's truly happening. So it's great to be able to do it live here at JEC.